Michael Saylor just said something about Bitcoin once again, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what our favorite Bitcoin legend has to say today. Welcome back to the 99B channel. You guys already know who it is. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin, okay? It's been, let's be real, one of the worst Octobers ever for Bitcoin. And I say that because usually Bitcoin is, pumping like crazy during October, okay? So let's talk about it. Let's talk about what exactly is going on, some news. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, there's not that much going on. Also, if you're not able to tell, I'm currently out of my usual office. I will be back in a couple of weeks, just taking a bit of a break, I guess you can call it, from usual life. So yeah, there's that as well. Okay, let's talk about it. The videos are still going to come out, guys. I might miss a day here and there or whatever, but I'll obviously catch up, and anything that is important will obviously be in future videos. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently at $110,000. We can see, guys, it is pretty much stagnant on the day. Not really doing too much, okay? I mean, it went up a bit to about 111, which is pretty cool, I guess. Now, in the past week, guys, we could see as well, Bitcoin, it hit a peak, I guess a weekly high of, what was it, like 114. Again, not that much movement, but it did start the week off at about like the 105s, 104s, okay? So again, there is that. Now, in the past month, guys, we could see Bitcoin is down about 3%. Obviously, we had the crazy rally to all-time highs here, and then we had multiple flash crashes due to Donald Trump talking about tariffs and whatever. Basically, just fear-mongering is what I like to call it, right? Price manipulation, whatever you want to call it. So, a couple things going on, guys. We're going to talk about it. First off, Bitcoin Hyper has now raised $24.7 million, guys, which is insane to think about in this current market condition, right? When you see a project that is consistently raising money, you got to take a look at it and eventually realize, listen, there's something here, right? Now, this project, guys, that has a multi-million-dollar marketing budget, a multi-million-dollar treasury, and it's one of those projects that you definitely cannot take a miss on. Definitely go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link down below. Let me know how much of this you guys do actually own or are planning on buying, okay? Now, JP Morgan, some very bullish news. JP Morgan is now going to allow institutional clients to use Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral. Now, I'm going to be honest, I would definitely stay away from something like this. Guys, using crypto as collateral is a great way to lose your money and lose your crypto because of how volatile it is, right? I mean, we saw even gold have a huge, I think it was down 7% in a day, if I'm not mistaken, or a couple of hours. You guys can only imagine what Bitcoin and Ethereum could do, right? Especially Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin, yes, it's a bit more stable, but again, at what cost? All it takes is Donald Trump to tweet something, or, someone who's important to tweet something, and, you start to lose your money, right? So again, it is bullish in the sense of mainstream adoption, but again, guys, I would definitely stay away from stuff like this and be very careful. Now, Michael Saylor says, don't wait until your banker tells you to buy Bitcoin. I mean, guys, this has to be one of the biggest Bitcoin bulls of all time. And when Michael Saylor says something about Bitcoin, you just gotta shut up and listen, okay? Now, Binance founder CZ agrees to a Bitcoin versus gold debate versus Peter Schiff. This is gonna be pretty interesting. They're working on figuring out who's gonna host it. I'm hearing that it's probably gonna be Joe Rogan, which is pretty freaking bullish. I would love to watch that. So yeah, that's something to look forward to as well. Now, Bitcoin's average Q4 returns are 78.6%, right? Now, the current Q4 returns are minus 2.4%. So there is a lot of catching up to do in November and December. Again, I don't know if we're going to have Q4 returns of 78%, but I mean, hey, even like 20-30% would be really, really good. And in terms of dollar amount, it would go a lot higher. Now, guys, Alex Becker has says, never below $110,000 Bitcoin ever again. Hope you stacked up. And I want you guys to let me know, do you guys think we're going to go under 110 for Bitcoin or not? But guys, that is it for today. I'll have to see you guys in the next one. Take care.